Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you read the title right, I am joining a cult, but this is nothing religious stuff, this is still crypto, and the cult I'm joining is the Wyckoff. Why? Because you fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, yeah, that's on me. So I was thinking maybe we should look into that as well. Who knows? Who knows? It will turn out to be true, and if we didn't take it into consideration, the only people we can blame is ourselves. So before we jump in, just the usual, if you want to get contact with me, Twitter and Discord, everything in the description, you can find there all the links. Please subscribe and like the video if you like the channel. Now before we jump into Wyckoff and the charts of Bitcoin, because yes, we will check Bitcoin, Aaron is more or less following it as other altcoins as well. I just wanted to point out that El Salvador news, and as I know that you all know about it, that El Salvador is already included Bitcoin as a legal payment in their sheet or whatever it is. They also announced that they are going to make a plan of 95 megawatts energy for Bitcoin mining. And I wanted to put that into perspective to see what that means for El Salvador's GDP. Now, this is going to take only 1 minute. So the energy, the geothermal energy from the volcano, which they will dedicate to Bitcoin mining, is 95 million watts, and one rig, Bitmain, which is widely used and also said to be the best one, needs 3250 watts. Now with this energy, 29,230 rigs will be supported, and one rig will make 0.000679 Bitcoin per day, and that means this rig per day will mine 19.847 Bitcoins, and per year that is 7,244 Bitcoins, which with the current price, which is around 40,000, 37 add or take, it's $289 million, which is 1% of the $27 billion El Salvador GDP. Now, if Bitcoin goes and doubles the price, triples, or goes even to 500,000 in the next years, as it is predicted, this GDP percentage will be fairly increased. And of course, this is with the condition that the Bitcoin doesn't really leave the country, it will circulate in the country used as payment. Now I do hope that they will look into other cryptocurrencies as well, not only Bitcoin, because as we know, Bitcoin is more of an asset which holds value rather than a payment tool. Therefore, I do think that El Presidente will look and adopt other cryptocurrencies as well. Hopefully it will be around. But yeah, I mean, I know that around Aaron there is a big quietness right now, but I think that the Miami stuff is still coming, and I hope that that plan is still folding out, and they will announce something big in the next couple of weeks or months. Let's see the cult I joined, and that is the Wyckoff cult. And you know what, before we jump into the Wyckoff chart or in the Bitcoin chart, I just wanted to show you this. Yes, this is the Wyckoff accumulation, and this is based, I mean, it has the theory that this is a big manipulation. This is the accumulation, but there was this distribution where at the end of the chart everything goes down as it did. And yes, it is pretty applicable for Bitcoin's movements when it was around the 60,000s. Now, I have to say that I am still skeptic. It just seems to me that it is very obvious, too obvious, with all of the channels, with all of the subscribers. Millions of people are following different channels, and this would be like in a plain sight, not really a secret, and these things are best kept secret. Maybe this is a reverse psychology, and they say, okay, we will pull it off anyway because people won't expect it. Now let's see the chart. Is this possible? Now, if we look very hard into the 4-hour charts, this is something which I drew, and yeah, until now it follows the path. Now what the price needs to do is to go in a zigzag here in phase C. Right now we should be in phase C, and it can be, I mean, not for sure, but I am still expecting whip down to the 25,000 to close the CME gap. If that doesn't happen, then the next moves should go only around this 37 and 32 area, from where we go and break the resistance of the 40 and 42,000. That will push us above the 200 days moving average, which is the biggest sign of the bear market, and from there we just shoot out. Well, it sounds pretty, it sounds very good, almost too good to be true. And yeah, as I said, I'm still skeptic, but it is a possibility, it is something to be prepared for. And if the charts really show these movements, if everything really folds out as it is expected, then yes, why shouldn't we plan with this? Why shouldn't we set our buy orders to the support and resistance areas to make some money? Let me know in the comments what you think about this Wyckoff area. Let me know if you do think that this is a manipulation or not. Also, let me know if you think that the dead cross, which is, just let me show you, the dead cross, which will eventually be the cross between the 50 and 200 daily moving averages, which will sign a bear market or the start of the bear market. So I want to know your opinion. Thank you for watching. This is all I want to talk about today. Like the video if you like the channel, and subscribe, because yes, that is my reward, your likes and your subscribes. That is why I'm doing this. Thank you again. See you tomorrow.